Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the throtl YouTube channel. This one is exciting. We got Victor in the back, Alex behind the camera right now.
See me. A little dark in here.
Yeah, it's nighttime. We're going to pick up a new project car. A lot of people have been asking, you know, when is the next project car? And what is the next project car? And today, we're hopefully, as long as this deal goes through, we're hopefully gonna be picking that one up. Now, I'll give you guys a couple hints, but I want you guys to use the comment section as well. It's JDM, it's rear wheel drive, it's a two-seater, I think, yeah, two-seater, and it's from the mid-90s. And that's all I'm gonna give you. So don't skip ahead. Comment down below, what do you think we're picking up? I think you guys are gonna love it. And I think I just donated my phone again, down in the seat. Also, real quick, huge thank you to TJ for letting us use his truck and trailer. It's one of those cars that I remember when I was a kid, I loved this car. But back on the East Coast, no one ever had them because they're rear wheel drive and they're very small. But out here, it's like the perfect California car.
You go easy on the hand movements because you're making shadow.
To recap, we're going to pick up another project car, satisfy some of those comments in the comment section.
Do you think we can build it to be faster than the Bad Apple?
Ooh. Can it be the fastest car in the shop? How about that? Because we got some fast cars in there now. I don't know, I think so. It's got a lot of potential. This chassis has a lot of potential. Maybe not the motor that's in there right now, but that's fine. As I mentioned, we're gonna be going through every nut and bolt on this car and restoring it and putting in some really, really nice parts. So I'm very excited. Woo, here we go, we're almost there. So we'll check back in with you guys in just a minute. Even if we love the car, I'm gonna act like I don't like the car. The good cop, bad cop.
We're gonna do good cop, bad cop. I want you every time you find a problem on the car, look over to me. And then you just be like, I really want it.
No, I'm gonna tell him I don't want it.
Really?
Yeah,
you're gonna be tough.
I'm gonna do that.
Two bad people?
No, we need a good cop.
I thought you said bad cop, bad cop. No, I said good cop, bad cop. I'm the bad cop, you're the good cop.
Alex, you're the good cop.
I can't be the good cop.
Negatives.
All right, I'll be the good cop.
You be the good cop. There might be a lot of horrible things about this car. This is not a gem.
If we find a live pet, who gets to keep it?
There might be some animals inside here. Dude, turning around the trailer is the worst.
Is that her? I think that's her waving to us on the right there.
Ready? Everybody hands together. Hands in, hands in. Hands in.
Hands in.
Hands in. Evan, hands in.
No, Evan.
No. All right.
I don't know.
So you haven't driven it in how long?
It's been like years.
Okay.
Yeah.
You store them and sell them, or?
This is actually going to be a project of mine. So yeah, we build cars. We actually build them on our YouTube channel. And kind of restore them and.
Yeah. Sorry, my brother forgot you guys were coming tonight. He has like the key. I'm really sad to be letting it go, but I just, like, I don't. Yeah, but like I definitely, the paint job is like awful, but I kept up on all the maintenance and everything like that. So for like the engine, it's pretty old.
Actually,
Pretty
we were
substantial dent here.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
That's pretty serious. That's probably the worst that I've seen. I think. Hondo.
What are you going out there?
Careful, there's spiders. There's hella spiders, dude. I just saw a giant one right here.
Yeah, and the exhaust. Oh, there is a big spider right there. Hey, buddy. We did bring a jump box, so maybe. Have you tried to jump it recently?
Yeah, it'll jump.
It will?
It just doesn't like stay for long.
It won't stay on.
It's rough, but pop-up headlights.
All right, got the keys.
Thank you, sir.
There.
What is this thing in the center here?
Yeah, let me pull that up for you. That is the cover for all of like the electronics that's over here.
Need me to translate for you, Victor?
Why, do you speak Japanese?
What's this little switch?
Occasionally.
That was
Oh, yeah, that's right. It's mid-engine.
Wider, like right.
corner.
With the prop.
Oh my lord, that's a lot of spiders.
Make sure there's no rats in here.
Yep, it's good.
Yeah, so the last time the car has turned on and run is how long?
3 months.
3 months ago.
I don't see any rust or any rats.
Oh, neither. But rust is what I'm concerned about.
I tried to start it, it started.
Bad car, messed it up.
Yeah, right. That's it.
Don't jinx it.
Yeah, we got enough.
I'm gonna get the jumper thing.
You want to grab that?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was
Here,
like,
have you ever seen the Magic Touch before?
No.
It's called the Detroit Dabble.
How much do you spend?
Okay.
It's called the Detroit Dabble. Usually one touch does the trick. There. Should work now.
Let's see if we got any juice.
Detroit Dabble.
Start it?
Detroit Dabble. There. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
What are you doing, Alex?
Let's try it again.
Why? What are you doing?
One more time. Trust me.
He's just giving it the magic stroke.
Trust me, it's
it's
on.
the Detroit Dabble.
It's a Detroit
come on.
Dabble.
Oh. Almost.
Give it a minute, just leave it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can give it one more if you need.
Did you take $500 for the car?
I do want a little more than that just because all the registration was like $300.
Okay. Yeah. Return on that. Here we go. Time to make the deal.
Whoever buys this car is that I want to see it fixed up or like see her parts in your car or whatever. So
And
this
this
is
was fate.
perfect. Simple.
So we've got a new car and a new subscriber.
So pumped. My heart's beating like.
Okay, stop it right there.
Wait, what?
Hear the name?
Did it have a name? You have a name for it?
It's Mr. 2.
Mr. 2. Oh, Mr. 2. Oh, because Mr. 2.
This is a game changer.
Dude, I've never heard them called that.
What?
Dude, the car's a name. She has a name for this car. Mr. 2.
Mr. 2.
Mr. 2. Mr. 2.
That's funny.
That's funny. That's funny. We're coming up
guys.
with a Any last words you have for Mr. 2, is it?
Mr. 2, I'm gonna miss her. She's been a good car for 10 years, but I know you guys are gonna take care of her, so. Can't wait to see her all restored.
Is Mr. 2 a she or a he?
It's a she. Just let her be. She likes to be called Mr. 2.
Okay. Can you act excited? Can you act excited? Give me a smile.
Yeah, I gotta find it.
Give me a smile.
For this.
Victor, can you give me a smile? Yeah.
It's pretty rough, man. It's decent. It's definitely rough, but $700. Same owner for the past. I offered 5, and she said no. She just paid $300 in all the back fees, so it's clean. The car should start, but it didn't. It's 100% stock, never modified. There's a little bit of a wiring issue with the rear taillights and the dash lights.
Spider infestation.
A lot of spiders, which is perfect. The paint is completely just gone, like 100%.
A little later.
Well, guys, we got it home. This is my 1991 Toyota MR2 SW20 chassis. I'm so stoked. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to own one of these cars. On the East Coast, you really don't see a lot of these. So growing up, you really don't see too much. But what's cool about this, if you guys are not familiar, rear-wheel drive, mid-engine. This is actually, I think, the first mid-engine Toyota ever was the MR2, the previous to this one. But this is mid-engine, rear-wheel drive. It's got T-tops. It's got that classic kind of Japanese styling that I love, and they're a little bit less common, which is cool. Now, this chassis is the non-turbo version. They did have a turbo version that came with the 3S GTE, which is actually a really awesome motor. Now, this one is not that, but that's okay. What I'm thinking, and I want to hear from you guys, I'm not decided yet, but let's just put it this way. You can swap in a K20 from Honda Acura, maybe a turbo, and make a lot of power. Or, you know, maybe we stick with the Toyota Heritage and stick with the 3S GTE. So this car obviously is super, super rough. You guys have seen it. And in full disclosure, this is a big project, but I haven't really built a project on our channel in so long, and this is gonna be the one that I'm gonna do, and I'm really gonna focus on this one. Now, obviously, I'm gonna get help from Mickey, gonna get help from Ricky, Rick, Alex, everyone on the Throtl team. This is gonna be my baby, and we are going to transform this car. My goal for this car is to make this kind of like the ultimate street car, probably in that 500-ish, maybe 600 horsepower. We'll see, I don't know. There's a lot of work to be done. If you're interested, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an episode. We have a lot to do. As you can see, it is rough. We're gonna be starting the teardown almost immediately. I'm excited to get into this thing. I think we might find some weird things like we did with Mickey's car and with the VR4, but overall, MR2 SW20 chassis is so cool, and I'm very excited to build it. So hopefully you guys join us. Hopefully you guys like this stuff. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, later.
So whether I'm ordering that new exhaust, ordering pizza for the boys, so why would I not want to be saving money on all these orders that I'm going to be making anyways? So whether you're a 16-year-old who just found their love for cars or you've been working in the shop for over 30 years, we got you. So when you join throtlVIP, you're also automatically entered to win this car we're building on the YouTube channel. That's just a cherry on top. In all seriousness, guys, check out the link. There's thousands of brands with awesome deals. Save yourself some money on stuff you're already spending money on.